Ever wonder what holds the universe together? What keeps planets in their dance, stars in their place, and your feet gently rooted to the earth? We call it gravity, but the story behind this quiet force is stranger, older, and far more mysterious than we ever imagined. Tonight, let's drift through the history of falling, where ancient beliefs meet revolutionary minds, and where science meets the very fabric of reality. Long before equations and telescopes, humans tried to understand why things fall. In 384 BCE, in ancient Greece, a philosopher named Aristotle began shaping the world's ideas. He believed heavy objects fall faster because they seek their natural place. It sounded reasonable, and for nearly 2,000 years that belief defined reality itself. But every belief waits for its challenger. In 1564, in the city of Pisa, Italy, a child named Galileo Galilei was born. Curious, restless, unwilling to accept ancient truths. As a young man, he rolled bronze spheres down inclined planes, timing their descent with heartbeat precision, and discovered something shocking and dropped 2 balls of different masses. All objects fall at the same rate. Legend says he climbed the Leaning Tower of Pisa, watching them hit the ground together. Whether myth or memory, the world would never see gravity the same way again. But the universe had a greater revelation waiting. In 1642, in Woolsthorpe, England, Isaac Newton was born under a winter sky. A quiet genius, a solitary thinker, a man who turned falling apples into cosmic insights. During the Great Plague of 1665, while the world shut down, Newton retreated to the countryside. One afternoon, he watched an apple drop. A simple fall. That sparked a question bigger than the sky itself. Could the same force that pulls down the apple also hold the moon in its orbit? That question became the universal law of gravitation, one equation describing planets, oceans, moons, comets, and every falling leaf. For the first time, the universe spoke the language of mathematics. And yet, Newton's gravity was still a force, an invisible pull acting across space, powerful, elegant, but incomplete. Then came a man who dared to rewrite that language. In 1879, in Ulm, Germany, Albert Einstein was born. A dreamer who imagined the impossible. While the world demanded the practical, Einstein pictured himself falling inside an elevator and feeling weightless. If falling makes you float, what does that say about gravity? In 1915, he unveiled a vision that bent reality. Gravity is not a force, but the warping of space and time. Mass bends the cosmic fabric, and objects follow those curves. Planets do not orbit because they are pulled. They orbit because the universe is curved. In 1919, during a total solar eclipse, Einstein's prediction came alive. Starlight curved around the sun, proving that space itself could bend. Reality was flexible. But here is the part we often forget. Gravity is not just cosmic. It is everyday. Every second of your life is shaped by Einstein's strange universe. Your GPS guiding you through streets works only because satellites high above Earth experience time differently. Their clocks run faster than clocks on Earth because gravity is weaker up there. Without correcting for Einstein's relativity, your GPS would drift by several kilometers each day. The tides you see at the beach, those gentle breaths of the ocean, are pulled and shaped by the gravity of the moon and the sun. Astronauts floating in the International Space Station are not escaping gravity at all. They are falling perpetually around Earth. Fall fast enough, and the ground curves away beneath you. Orbiting is just a perfect fall. Even the aging of your body is guided subtly by gravity. Time itself runs a little slower on the ground than it does in the mountains. Gravity is not just a force out there. It is a thread woven through every moment of your life. But the story grows stranger still. In 2015, two detectors called LIGO in Washington and Louisiana recorded a faint vibration. Two black holes, 1 billion light years away, had collided, sending ripples through space and time. Gravitational waves, tiny tremors in the fabric of existence. For the first time, humanity didn't just see the universe. We heard it. The cosmos, singing through gravity. And now we stand again at the edge of mystery. Some scientists believe gravity may not be fundamental at all, that it might emerge from information from entropy, from quantum entanglement, a hidden web connecting everything. In this view, gravity is not the foundation of reality, but a whisper of something deeper, a shadow of an unseen architecture. Our universe might not be built by gravity, but sculpted by information itself. So the question returns: ancient, simple, impossible. What is gravity? We know how it behaves, how it shapes planets, how it bends light, how it ripples across the universe. But do we truly understand it? Perhaps gravity is the universe's oldest enigma, a silent sculptor shaping galaxies, stars, worlds, and time itself. Perhaps it is the quiet architect behind everything we call reality. And maybe in searching for gravity, we are really searching for the hidden threads that bind existence together. Because every fall, every orbit, every heartbeat of a black hole is gravity writing the story of the cosmos. You have been watching Ever Wonder, where every answer leads to a deeper mystery. Until next time, stay curious, stay grounded, and keep wondering.